Good morning or good afternoon. Today we'll be watching a Quizzette video on 808. Please make sure that you write your last name, comma, your first name, today's date, and your class color. Number one is going to ask you to write either an expression into standard notation or do the reverse. So you're going to multiply 2.6 by 10 to the 4. So you just get the decimal and you move it 4 decimal places in the positive direction because the exponent is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the spaces that you have empty, you put zeros. So you have 26,000. Number 2, it says write the height of Mount Everest in standard notation. So Mount Everest is right here. And you're going to write that as standard notation. And it's 3 decimal places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to have 2 decimal places empty. So you have 8,900. I'm sorry I couldn't leave you more space. I didn't want the box of the water molecule and all that stuff. I didn't want it to be super tiny. I wanted you to be able to read it. And the same goes for if we look at number 2. Number 3 says a dollar bill is about... Sorry about that. So number 3, a dollar bill is about, wow, that's a really small number. A really small number meters thick. What is the thickness in scientific notation? Okay, thank God we have scientific notation. So let's see. So we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So this would be 1.1 times 10 to the 4. And since it's a really, really small number, the exponent is negative. If it were a very, very large number, the exponent would be positive. So if we were measuring, I don't know, the distance from Earth to the sun, it would be a large positive number. If we were talking about the size of an atom or the size of how thick a dollar bill is, it's an exponentially small number. So when the exponent is negative, and you can write it in a sentence, when the exponent is negative, the number is extremely small. And this is a perfect example. The thickness of a dollar bill, that's a very, very small number. So that's why the exponent is negative. And this is that measurement in scientific notation. 1.1 times 10 to the negative 4. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Thursday, the box didn't fit. So just know that you're using the same box for every single day on